Birthday na ating pinagdiriwang buwan o taon-taon. Kahit anumang edad man ang ating kinabibilangan, age doesn't matter, ika nga nila. Kahit anumang edad man yan, lahat yan, mapapantayan mo. Kahit ano ka pa, ay kakayanin mo. Kahit anumang hirap o pasubok man ang mga pinagdadaanan mo, ay malalagpasan mo yan. At makakamit mo ang iyong tagumpay sa hirap at ginhawa, sipag, tiyaga, at diskarte ang pupunan. Kahit yung edad mo ay tumataas. Pero ikaw ay hindi kailanman magbabago ang pananaw mo sa buhay. Ay tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang buhay magpakailanman. And I thank you.
Hi Ate Tin! Happy birthday sa'yo! Enjoy your day!
Hello po Ate Tin, happy birthday. I wish you good health and success in life. Enjoy your day and God bless po.
Hello Ma'am Tin, or should I say Maring Tin. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best in life and God bless. Happy birthday.
Hello, Tin. Happy birthday to you. Ayon. Hi. Thank you for helping me out when I was a Teka Pro. I remembered you as a very excellent woman talaga and amazing kung paano ka nakaka-estimate na mabilis talaga and very accurate and I admire you for that. And one more na nare-remember kita is that you're very fabulous. You're a fashionista. So ayun, I like it as well as a girly person. Ayun. And ayun, I hope that you'll be able to enjoy your day and you'll be able to feel love. May the people remind you of how much loving you are, special, and especially God who created you. You're loved, seen, and wonderful. So ayun, God bless and hope to see you around.
Happy birthday, Christine! 生日快乐! Hi!
Surprise! Hi, Teen! Happy birthday! Ako lang to. More blessings to come and more boys to come. See you soon. Kita-kita tayo. Chat lang kayo. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Hi, Teen. Happy birthday. Joke lang.
Happy birthday, Teen. I wish you good health, happiness, thriving love life, and work-life balance. Sana magandang pasok sa'yo ng 2026. See you soon. Bye!
So, ito ka na nga. Happy birthday! See you soon. Love you soon.
Hello. Happy birthday. I wish you good health and more wealth, more money, more gala. One of the things that I can offer you is to be there for you and to cheer you on. My line will always be open for you kahit sa mga walang kwentang bagay man yan or makikipagbardagulan ka lang sa akin, okay lang din. I hope you feel well loved in this life and maybe a bit extra loved on your special day. And I hope you know na you have all these amazing people with you and for you. Again, happy birthday, enjoy your day, and I hope to see you soon.
Hi Lods, happy birthday! Salamat sa walang sawang paghatid ng mga nagbabagang balita. Sana mas damihan pa natin ng tsikahan ngayong taon. Ang wish ko, sana matupad lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. Kasama doon yung jowa, pero parang nakita ko sa IG, parang meron na. So, ox na ba yun? Char. Ayun, happy birthday ulit.
Hi, Teen. Happy birthday and Happy New Year. Thank you for being such a great colleague and one of my rant buddy. May all your wishes and prayers do come true. Ingat ka lagi sa mga travel mo and see you soon. Bye-bye.